Algebraic expression. We know a theory which is a plus b plus c whole square. It means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So by this theory we can solve these three math step by step. Let's get started. Number 9. Here is given a plus b plus c equals to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca equals to 31. Now we have to find out the value of a square plus b square plus c square. So against this one, suppose in this formula if we keep this one, it means a square plus b square plus c square, and transfer this one to here, we will get a plus b plus c minus, from here we can take common 2, it means minus 2 ab plus bc plus ca, right? And here a plus b plus c means 9, so 9 square minus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca means 31, so we can write 31. So finally we get 9 square means 81 minus 2 times 31 is a 62. So 11 minus 2 is a 9, carry 1, so 8 minus 7 is 1. Our answer is 19. So number 9 done. Number 10. Here is given a square plus b square plus c square equals to 9. We can write given a square plus b square plus c square equals to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca equals to 8. ab plus bc plus ca equals to 8. We have to find out the value of a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square. So it's a very simple thing. Simple formula: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Now a square plus b square plus c square is a 9 plus 2 times ab plus bc plus c is a 8. So 9 plus 2 times 8 is a 16. So 16 plus 9 is a 25. This is our answer. So number 9 and 10 done. Number 11. Here is given, we can write this one, given a plus b plus c equals to 6 and a square plus b square plus c square equals to 14. So we have to find out the value of which is a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. So if we segregate this one, with this one we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square, then plus b square minus 2bc plus c square, same plus c square minus 2ca plus a square, right? Now look, here is a square, here is a square, so here is 2a square, then b square plus b square plus 2b square plus c square 2c square. Now here is minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca, So we can take common minus 2. So here will be AB plus BC plus CA. And here is also we can take common 2. So 2, then A square plus B square plus C square minus. And here is interesting thing. Here is mentioned A plus B plus C is 6 and A square plus B square is 14. But AB plus BC plus CA has no value. So we can do like this way. We know A plus B plus C whole square equals to A square plus B square plus C square. So from here we can find out the value of 2AB plus BC plus CA. What does mean? It means 2AB plus BC plus CA. Against this one we can write A plus B plus C whole square, then minus A square plus B square plus C square. Right? This one we can write. So in here we can write this one, or we can write like A plus B. We can use this one in rough. A plus B plus C is a 6, so it means 6 square minus A square plus B square plus C square, it means 14. So 6 square means 36 minus 14 is a what? 6 minus 4 is a 2, 3 minus 1 is also 2, it means 22. What does means 22? This one, it means 2AB plus BC plus C is a 22. So against this one we can write 22. Now we can write like 2A square plus B square plus C square is a 14. So times it will be 14 minus 22. So 14 times 2 is a 28 minus 22, it will be 6. So our answer 6. So finally we have completed 9, 10 and 11 successfully. So our topics was algebraic expression, which is very important topics around the world, any kinds of competitive examination. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.